Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are in the endgame of the Pushback season, and recently, the entire strategy has been rewritten. Today, I will be covering exactly what has changed and how to take advantage of it with a few key upgrades. Let's get into it. To start, we need to understand what the old strategy was and why it worked. The match I am showing here was the Mall of America signature event, which was one of the biggest early season events. In this match, we can see that both alliances are trying to fill up their long goal and take control. After the initial filling, the game usually consists of holding the goals and sometimes scoring in the middle, with not much change otherwise. This strategy has been working up until now. Even since events like Mall of America, we have seen D-score wings, but recently a new strategy has emerged. Start off with in your Roton scoring a few blocks into the long goal, and then immediately when the match starts, push all your blocks with your D-score wing into the middle of the goal. Immediately after that, D-score every other block in the goal regardless of color. This results in you having a control zone and there not being any other blocks in the goal. If you can continue to D-score every other block that gets scored in the rest of the match, you can never get D-scored because wings cannot reach inside the closed portion of the goal, meaning that you keep the control zone for most of the match, like what is seen here on the left. This new technique of D-scoring over scoring is called Starvation. Keep an eye out for it, as this will be what will be winning all the matches in these upcoming tournaments. In the near future, I will be releasing a video on how to build a good D-score wing, so keep an eye out for that. But in the meantime, use yours and practice the D-scoring of the entire goal, and remember, filling up the goals is now obsolete. Get your blocks into the middle, and you get the win. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.